Right, part 2. We've looked at the inscribed. Let's better look at the circumscribed circle as well. So this is where TurboCAD can help as well. So draw line perpendicular. In fact, I'm going to change the colour so you don't get confused to blue. So I clicked on the triangle and you can see it's coming off perpendicular. So then hit mid, which is a different point to that, and then come across there again. Let's find the midpoint perp there and the midpoint perp there. Right, looks a bit of a strange point, that, doesn't it? But if we pick up the circle tool to change the colour to blue so it stands out, and I click on that as an intersection from my centre point of my circle, you'll find now, if you then snap to any of the triangular vertices, you've got a circumscribed the triangle. I'll just pick the trim tool up, multiple trimming edges, just tidy up that, and so yeah, there's some very special points in triangles. Siever's theorem, centroids, metacentric heights. The triangle is very important piece of geometry. Yeah, and I recommend you get the old Euclid books out and you work through them to look at mathematical truth. The only thing that is certain. Okay.